close. We found 2 people here.
Hey, we got an unconscious victim.
Don't get sucked into that one person, guys. Got a big field here.
Oh shit, I got another close one. 1 meter.
You need me over there?
Yeah. He's not moving.
I think I've got someone else over here.
I guess.
0.8.
You got something there?
Yeah.
You need a probe?
Unresponsive. I got 0.9. 0.8. 0.7.
Alright, we're going to have to get her out of here.
Okay. Come on, right side here.
Alright, this one feels okay.
Hey, you haven't let me out yet.
Yeah.
I'm not breathing, remember?
Okay, there's something else over here. Oh, I found a snowshoe.
Close to the service. Snowshoes.
Snowshoe.
Person.
Oh my god, person.
He's moving.
Yeah.
Still conscious.
Got a little pocket here. Are you okay? Yeah? Can you help yourself dig out here?
I'm okay.
Do you know if any of your other folks are here?
I have no idea. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's get him off.
Breathing but unconscious. Help yourself get out here. Let's get some
We have one breathing but unconscious.
I bet there's more.
Okay, I got a shovel in here. Got a shovel in there too? Yeah. Here. Here's a shovel.
Okay.
Got one.
And is that a blue shovel there? Yeah. Maybe that came out already. Oh yeah, okay.
That's yours?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we've got how many now? We got them all. I think we just gotta get them out.